When solving systems of equations, a lot of people get confused because there are 4 different methods you could choose to solve these. If you want, you can use all 4 methods, or if you pick a favorite, you can use that one the whole time as long as you get really good at using it. So the 4 different ways. The first way you could do is called substitution. When using substitution, your equations or inequalities can be in any form. But the only thing that really is important is you have to solve for one variable. So on one of your equations or inequalities, you have to get one variable alone. For example, you got to get x by itself, or you have to get y by itself, or whatever variable you're dealing with. The second way that you can solve a system of equations is by elimination. When using elimination, you have to get it into standard form, which means no matter what messy way they give you an equation or an inequality, you have to be able to get it into this form. ax plus by equals c. And since the system has always 2 or more, then it would look something like this. You'd have to get all the x's first, and then your y's, and then your c's, or whatever variables you're using. The third way is graphing. In order to use this method, well, you obviously have to have a graphing calculator or a lot of graph paper. And in this way, the form you have to get both of your equations, or if you have more than 2 equations, you have to get them all into slope-intercept form. So if you remember from Algebra I, that's y equals mx plus b. And then the last form, which is a lot of people's favorite, is called matrix. And if you want to use matrix, then both of your equations have to be in standard form. So that's what we did here. So in the next video, I will show you how to use each of those methods.